Is the most powerful weapon on Earth a car? What if the most advanced protection system on Earth wasn't a missile shield or a stealth jet, but a car? Every time the US president travels by road, a single vehicle sits at the center of a perfectly choreographed security operation. It looks like a luxury Cadillac, but calling it a car is like calling an aircraft carrier a boat. Officially, the Secret Service calls it Cadillac One. The world knows it as the Beast, the most heavily protected civilian vehicle ever built, designed for one purpose only: survival. 1. The Beast is not a limousine in the traditional sense. Despite its sleek appearance, the Beast shares almost nothing with a normal Cadillac. Beneath the familiar body lines lies a completely custom-built platform closer to a military vehicle than a luxury sedan. It is constructed on a reinforced truck-like chassis designed to support enormous weight while maintaining stability under extreme conditions. What looks like elegance is actually disguise. This vehicle is engineered to survive chaos, not impress crowds. The exterior exists to blend in. The structure exists to endure. 2. It weighs as much as a small tank. The Beast weighs close to 20,000 pounds, or roughly 10 tons. That makes it heavier than most armored personnel carriers and comparable to a city bus. This weight is intentional. Every extra pound adds resistance against bullets, blasts, and shockwaves. In a crisis, weight becomes protection, turning physics itself into a defensive weapon. The Beast does not rely on speed alone to escape danger. Its mass absorbs violence before it reaches the cabin. 3. Each door is a ballistic vault. Opening a door on the Beast is nothing like opening a normal car door. Each one weighs around 700 pounds and is over 8 inches thick. Inside are layers of hardened steel, ballistic ceramic, and Kevlar mesh. These doors are designed to stop high-caliber armor-piercing rounds. When they close, the president isn't just inside a car, he's sealed inside a moving safe. They shut with the finality of a bank vault, sealing the president inside a protected capsule. 4. The windows distort reality for a reason. The Beast windows are approximately 5 inches thick, composed of layered bullet-resistant glass and polycarbonate. From the inside, the outside world looks warped, almost underwater. This distortion is the side effect of extreme ballistic protection. The glass sacrifices clarity, so the cabin never sacrifices safety. These windows are designed to stop heavy machine gun fire at close range while keeping the interior remarkably quiet. 5. The cabin can become airtight in seconds. One of the Beast's most critical features is invisible. The cabin can seal itself completely from the outside environment in seconds. If sensors detect chemical, biological, or radiological threats, even in microscopic amounts, the vehicle immediately pressurizes. At that moment, the outside world becomes irrelevant. Air flows outward only, ensuring contaminants cannot enter even if the armor is breached. 6. There is an independent oxygen supply. Onboard, stored within the vehicle, are compressed oxygen tanks capable of supplying breathable air for approximately 1 hour. If the outside environment becomes toxic or unbreathable, the Beast does not need to flee immediately. It buys time, the most valuable currency during an attack. The vehicle can outlast the threat while evacuation routes are secured. 7. The floor is built to survive explosions. Beneath the president's feet are reinforced steel plates designed to withstand roadside bombs and explosive devices. This underbody armor protects against upward blast forces, one of the most dangerous attack vectors for armored vehicles. The threat isn't always ahead, sometimes it comes from below. Above the cabin, additional armor is designed to withstand falling debris or partial structural collapse. 8. The fuel tank cannot explode. Unlike conventional vehicles, the Beast's fuel tank is wrapped in armor and filled with special anti-explosion foam. Even if punctured by gunfire, it will not ignite or explode. One of the most common cinematic failures, fireballs, has been engineered out of reality. Fire, one of the deadliest secondary threats during an ambush, is neutralized before it begins. 9. The tires keep moving after being destroyed. Each tire contains solid internal supports. Even if all 4 tires are completely shredded, the Beast can continue driving at highway speeds on the rims alone. Stopping is never an option when survival depends on momentum. This capability allows the vehicle to escape ambush zones where even a brief halt could be fatal. 10. The engine is built for momentum, not speed. Powering this armored giant is a turbocharged diesel V8, producing massive torque. The goal is not acceleration or top speed, but unstoppable forward motion. Once moving, the beast doesn't dart away, it pushes through. It behaves like a freight train, difficult to stop, difficult to redirect, and relentless under pressure. 11. Only a handful of people can drive it. Driving the beast is one of the most demanding roles in the United States Secret Service. Drivers train for months at specialized facilities, learning how to control a 10-ton vehicle through high-speed evasive maneuvers, J-turns, reverse driving at speed, and controlled ramming. They are trained to think seconds ahead of danger, not react to it. These drivers do not simply drive, they execute rehearsed survival protocols. 12. Presidential medical care is always one car away. In a following vehicle travels the president's personal physician, along with trauma equipment tailored specifically to the president's medical profile. This includes blood supplies of the president's exact blood type, medications, and emergency surgical tools. If the unthinkable happens, treatment begins instantly. Not at a hospital. This medical unit must remain within one vehicle length at all times. 13. There is never just a beast. The motorcade never includes a single presidential limousine. Multiple identical beasts travel together, constantly changing positions. Even trained observers cannot tell which vehicle contains the president. Confusion is deliberate. It's one of the strongest defenses available. Position swaps occur every few seconds using encrypted patterns that prevent prediction. 14. The motorcade plays a mathematical shell game. These movements are not random. Intelligence mathematicians designed the rotation patterns using encryption-style algorithms. The system borrows logic from cybersecurity and applies it to physical movement. Even if someone knew which vehicle the president entered initially, predicting its position moments later would be nearly impossible. 15. One SUV is literally a battering ram. Directly behind the beast travels a reinforced SUV known as the Halfback. Its front end is strengthened with steel beams designed to ram threats, push the presidential vehicle out of danger, or smash through barricades. Sometimes escape doesn't mean avoiding impact, it means winning it. If brute force is required, this vehicle provides it. 16. Electronics around the motorcade go silent. A specialized support vehicle floods the surrounding area with electromagnetic noise. Cell phones lose signal, remote detonators fail, drones disconnect, wireless communication becomes unreliable within a wide radius. The battlefield is digital as much as physical, and the motorcade controls both. It does not merely protect itself, it reshapes the electronic environment around it. 17. Phones may secretly connect to fake cell towers. Even more unsettling, the motorcade can deploy fake cellular towers. Nearby phones may unknowingly connect to them, routing communications through intelligence monitoring systems. Every message becomes a potential clue, every call a data point. Any suspicious coordination is instantly flagged and analyzed in real time. 18. Armed operators are ready to respond instantly. Some SUVs carry elite armed operators with rifles already shouldered and windows rolled down, regardless of weather. These individuals are selected for their ability to act instantly when milliseconds matter. They are there not to deter threats, but to end them. Their presence ensures that no danger goes unanswered. 19. Every route is calculated to the second. Every movement is planned in advance with multiple alternate routes, pre-cleared hospitals, hidden safe houses, and weather-adjusted timing. Even traffic patterns and construction zones are treated as security variables. The motorcade never stays on public roads longer than 30 minutes, because predictability increases risk. 20. The beast never truly powers down. Even after the president exits, the engine continues running. Another identical vehicle is already positioned for departure. Security shifts phases, but never relaxes. The beast is not about luxury, comfort, or prestige. It is about certainty. Certainty that no matter what happens, bullets, bombs, poison, or chaos, the president survives long enough for the system to respond. It is the physical embodiment of contingency planning taken to its absolute extreme. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most secretive machines on Earth and want more stories about hidden systems, power, and protection, like and subscribe.